How to turn off scene status on Viber. The very first thing, you want to make sure that the application Viber is up to date. Once you have the latest version of the application, simply open it. And then you need to make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you are in here, head over to More at the bottom right corner. Inside your profile, move into Settings, and then head over to Privacy. Inside Privacy, you'll get to see tons of different options. The option of Send Scene Status will be available to you. Right now you can see that this option is enabled. In order to turn it off, simply toggle off this button. Now even if you have seen the text of the people, they won't able to find out that you have seen their text, because the scene status won't be visible to them anymore. So likewise, you can turn on or off anytime you want to, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can turn off scene status on Viber. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.